Hi viewers, welcome to our channel RJ's Info. This video is about conditional formatting in Excel. This is simple invoice data. We want to know 7 days of upcoming days to highlight. So in that case, conditional format is very good. To get highlighted, simply select the range wherever you want, date, click on conditional formatting, new rule, use formula. So today formula should be used and you should be greater than and equal to today and less than equal to today plus 7 days. Click some format, fill with colors. Okay. So these are the 7 days from today onwards. Next one is we want to highlight only last digit of 4 in amount. Select the amount, entire amount. Again same process, conditional formatting. Mode, give reference 10 and it should be 4. Okay, these are the ending with 4. In case of want to know the duplicacy in invoices, simply select invoice, entire range. It should be a COUNTIF, then it should be more than 1. Give format. If you like this video, please share it, comment it, please do subscribe for upcoming videos. Thank you.